3,000 hours prompting in 5 minutes for you to make AI 10 times better. Enjoy! Produce quality results you can use first try. It's about that structured thinking before you even write the task instruction. Think of it like you are creating a detailed specification for the most capable team member that you could ever imagine. Here's your blueprint, the 5 core ideas to define your AI persona. Step 1. Goal. This is AI number 1's job and core motivation. Here you define AI one critical mission for this specific task. The more you specify, the better the output is gonna get. Ask yourself, what is the ultimate thing that this AI is trying to achieve for you? It's to write sales email that gets some kind of percentage open or another percentage of click-through rate to the sales page. Second step is the expert. It's AI background, origin, and training. Ask yourself here, where does this AI persona come from? What's its foundational context, education, or specific training that makes this AI an expert for this specific goal that you are looking at right now? Next up, we've got skills. It's AI capabilities, experience, and methods. What specific action it could take? Think for a second. What unique skills, successful past experiences, or maybe projects it completed, processes or tools does it master to achieve your goal? For example, expert in crafting irresistible headlines using For You framework. Masters storytelling to build emotional connection. Uses the problem agitate solve formula proficiently. This tells AI how it should operate to execute the task. Be concrete with the skills relevant to the goal, so it performs like a pro. Step 4. Its AI voice, its personality, tone, and values. How exactly should your AI sound and behave? What specific tone and style nuances and what core values or beliefs guide its communication and decisions? Examples are authoritative yet empathetic and encouraging, witty and clever, respectful, urgently helpful, clear and concise. Avoiding jargon. This one makes your AI output distinctive and consistently on brand. It truly connects with your audience and eliminates that robotic feeling. Step 5 is the must-knowns. It's critical data and specific knowledge that you pass to AI. Here ask yourself, what non-negotiable facts, figures, company specifics, product details, industry nuances, or crucial information that AI absolutely must know to perform accurately at your given task. Your product's unique selling propositions, target audience, deepest pains and aspirations, key features and benefits, pricing and brand messaging. Don't let AI start guessing, which leads to hallucinations and wasted time. Bet on certainty by thinking through what critical information you need to provide. For the recap, goal, expert, skills, voice, must-knows. These are your 5 pillars. You can supercharge your pillars with even more context to be even more unique, even more on brand. You can go even deeper from there. This is like a signpost, guide you in the good direction. To enrich the goal, detail its underlying goals, motivations. Why is this mission critical? What drives performance towards this objective? Also give AI some metrics or criterion for evaluations, for example. Build out the expert, specify its background, origin, where it comes from, its education, training, degrees, courses, certifications. To define the skills further, detail its experience, skills with concrete examples of past jobs held or projects completed successfully. What tools this AI is expert in. To upgrade the voice further, define its values and beliefs. What this AI genuinely cares about, what is guiding its decisions, highly specific tone, style nuances. To go beyond professional, to say something like witty, authoritative, super empathetic, you can talk about how you would say it. This is not about overwhelming AI yourself with novels of text. It's about thoughtfully providing that superior, highly relevant, structured detail from those 7 key areas to enrich your 5 pillars. This gives AI the superior material it needs to multiply, especially when you demanding strategic, top-tier output. You don't need to use this deep dive from 7 key areas for every single prompt. For a quick social media post generator, the basic 5 pillars, focusing on goal, voice, a few must-knows might be enough. Building complex AI sales assistant and detailed marketing plan, you will use all 5 pillars very thoughtfully, then selectively layer in those deeper details from those 7 areas to provide precision and impact. The key here is being intentional. Always focus on what's most relevant to getting the higher quality specific output you need, saving you that back and forth later with iterating on the output.